Hello everyone and welcome to BDO Online Banking tutorial. So the banking app allows you to manage your finances easily and securely. Here's a detailed guide on how to set up and use the app effectively. So guys, for your reference, you can see the steps that you need to perform to firstly, of course, create the banking account. And of course, if you already have one, so that you can have some reference. And now while this is on the screen, let me talk about it. So guys, for Android, download the app from the Google Play Store and Apple Store for iOS. After that, register for the account, open the app and tap sign up. Choose the preferred registration method. It's going to be either ATM debit card, credit card, or deposit account. Fill out the required details such as your account number, card number, and personal information. Create a username and password. And of course, don't forget about the security verification process. And after that, the app will look something like this, guys. As you can see, from here you're logging in, either logging in, of course, or opening an account. As you can see, you can open an account right here. So guys, after that, we have step number 4. Once logged in, you'll find key features on the home page. So we will have account summary, view your account balances, and transaction history. You can also pay bills. Where's this section? Oh, they don't show it here. So you have the pay bills section. You can easily pay utility bills, credit cards, and more. After that, you can, of course, send money. As you can see, this is the transaction screen. Send money to BDO accounts, other banks, or e-wallets. And also, of course, you can top up prepaid mobile numbers directly. Also, we have investments and savings, manage savings goals, or explore investment options. And guys, this is a general tutorial, but by following these steps, you'll be able to confidently manage your finances through the BDO Online Banking app with ease and security. Guys, enjoy this tutorial. Hopefully it helped. Subscribe, like the video. See you next time.